Dive into the mystical realm of Tarot Oracle with us today. Ever wondered how a deck of cards could possibly predict your future or provide insights into your life's dilemmas? In the midst of our fast-paced, technology-driven world, there exists an ancient and enigmatic practice that has enticed humanity for centuries. This practice is none other than the art of Tarot Oracle. But where did this intriguing practice originate? The roots of Tarot Oracle can be traced back to the 14th century Europe, where it began as a simple card game. Over time, however, its significance evolved, becoming a profound spiritual tool. The cards, once used for leisure, transformed into a medium to delve into the human psyche and the mysteries of the universe. The Tarot Oracle is not just a deck of cards, but a collection of 78 symbolic images. Each card carries a unique representation, reflecting various aspects of human life, emotions, and experiences. These cards serve as mirrors to our soul, helping us introspect and navigate through our life's journey. The Tarot Oracle is not about predicting the future, but rather it is a tool for guidance. It aids us in understanding our past, illuminating our present, and providing insights into the potential outcomes of our future. The cards do not dictate our destiny. Instead, they empower us to make informed decisions and inspire introspection. The world of Tarot Oracle is a mysterious one filled with symbols, archetypes, and intuitive wisdom. It's a spiritual journey that invites us to explore the depths of our subconscious and unravel the truths about ourselves and the world around us. But how does a tarot reading work? What's the secret behind these mystical cards? Does the reader have psychic powers? Or is it the cards that hold the power? And how do these cards provide guidance and insight into our lives? The answers to these questions are as intriguing as the practice itself. So, are you ready to delve deeper into this mystical world? Are you prepared to uncover the magic of Tarot Oracle? Stay with us as we journey further into the enigmatic world of Tarot Oracle. You're just a card flip away from a world full of mysteries and insights. But how does a tarot reading work? What's the secret behind these mystical cards? Stay with us to uncover the magic. So, you're curious about the process of tarot reading, aren't you? How does a reader interpret the cards and what do they mean? Let's dive into the fascinating world of tarot reading, a mystical journey filled with symbolism and intuition. Each tarot reading begins with a question or a search for guidance. The seeker, that's you, asks a question, and the reader shuffles the deck of 78 cards. The deck is split into two sections. The major arcana, 22 cards representing life's karmic and spiritual lessons, and the minor arcana, 56 cards reflecting the trials and tribulations of everyday life. Each card is a mirror to the soul, reflecting different aspects of our inner world. During a reading, the reader lays out the cards in a specific spread. Each position within the spread has a unique meaning, and the card in that position offers insight into that aspect of your question or situation. The reader interprets the cards based on their symbolic meanings and intuition, weaving together a narrative that provides guidance and insight. The tarot reader is like a skilled storyteller, interpreting the symbols on the cards and connecting them to your unique situation. They are guided by their intuition and their deep understanding of the cards' meanings. The reader doesn't predict the future. Instead, they provide a fresh perspective, helping you see the situation in a new light. But it's not just about the reader's interpretation. You, as the seeker, play a crucial role too. The cards reflect your energy at the time of the reading. Your thoughts, emotions, and experiences all influence the cards that appear. The tarot reading is a dialogue between you and the universe, a way to tap into your subconscious and gain clarity. But can these readings always be trusted, you may wonder? Tarot readings are a tool for self-discovery and reflection, not a definitive roadmap. The cards offer guidance, but the choices and decisions remain in your hands. The true power of tarot lies in its ability to inspire introspection and self-awareness. But can these readings always be trusted? We'll delve into that shortly. The burning question, how accurate are tarot readings? Can they really guide us through life's challenges? In the quest to uncover the truth behind the accuracy of tarot readings, it's essential to first understand what these readings truly represent. Tarot readings are not a crystal ball that predicts your future with pinpoint precision. Instead, they serve as a guide, a spiritual compass, helping you navigate through life's many twists and turns. Many people enter a tarot reading session with expectations of exact predictions about their future. But this, my friends, is a common misconception. Tarot readings are not about predicting a fixed future, but about exploring possible paths. They provide insight into the energies, patterns and trends at play in your life, giving you the chance to shape your own destiny. Now let's talk about the accuracy. It's not about whether the tarot can correctly predict if you'll get that dream job next week or find your soulmate by the end of the year. The real accuracy lies in the tarot's ability to highlight the underlying issues, hidden fears, and untapped potentials that are influencing your life. A tarot reading is like a mirror, reflecting back to you the things you may not be aware of or have chosen to ignore. The accuracy of a tarot reading also significantly depends on the skill and intuition of the reader. An experienced reader who has honed their intuitive skills can tap into the symbolic language of the tarot to provide valuable insights and guidance. They interpret the cards in the context of your personal journey, making the reading more meaningful and relevant. Remember, the tarot doesn't control your future. You do. The cards merely provide guidance and perspective, empowering you to make decisions that align with your highest good. But what happens when a tarot reading doesn't resonate with you? We'll explore that next. Ever had a tarot reading that simply didn't make sense? What does it mean when a reading doesn't resonate with you? Indeed, it's a puzzle that many spiritual seekers grapple with. You sit with anticipation as the cards are drawn, only to find that the revealed symbols and meanings seem disconnected from your reality. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. So, what gives? Well, there are a couple of possibilities to consider. The first is that there may be a misinterpretation. Tarot cards are complex and layered with symbolism. Every card has a multitude of meanings, and the context of other cards and the question can drastically shift the interpretation. It's a bit like reading a poem in a foreign language. If you're not fluent or if you're distracted, you might miss the nuances or even misunderstand the whole thing. So, if a reading doesn't resonate, it could be a sign that the interpretation needs a second look. But there's another intriguing possibility. Sometimes a tarot reading might be hinting at something that you're not yet aware of. The cards could be reflecting a subconscious feeling, an emerging situation, or a hidden aspect of yourself that you haven't consciously recognized. It's like the cards are holding up a mirror to a part of you that's still in the shadows. And while it might be disconcerting at first, it can also be a powerful invitation to self-awareness and growth. Therefore, a tarot reading that doesn't resonate isn't necessarily a bad or wrong reading. It could be a call to dig deeper, to revisit your assumptions, or to open your mind to new perspectives. It's a reminder that the tarot isn't just about predicting the future. It's a tool for introspection, exploration, and personal development. Could there be more to tarot readings than meets the eye? We'll ponder on that before we wrap up. As we venture deeper into the world of tarot, we realize there's much more than what meets the eye. Could these cards be a mirror to our subconscious? Indeed, Tarot Oracle is not just a deck of cards, it's a powerful tool that can reflect our subconscious thoughts and emotions. It's like a mirror that reflects our innermost fears, desires and aspirations, often those we might not even be aware of. Imagine peering into a deep well, the surface of which is our conscious mind, and the depth holds our subconscious secrets. The tarot cards are like pebbles that create ripples on the surface, allowing us to glimpse into the depths below. Now let's tackle the question we left hanging in the air earlier. How does tarot guide our spiritual growth? The Tarot Oracle can serve as a compass guiding us on our spiritual journey. Each card in the deck represents a phase, a challenge, or a lesson that we need to learn in order to grow and evolve spiritually. When we draw a card, it resonates with our current situation, reflecting the spiritual lessons that we need to focus on. And finally, let's close the loop on a mystery we've been unwrapping. Why do some tarot readings seem eerily accurate while others don't resonate at all? The answer lies in our subconscious mind. When we are open and receptive, the cards can tap into our subconscious, revealing insights that resonate deeply with us. But if we are skeptical or closed off, the readings might not hit the mark. So the Tarot Oracle is not just a fortune-telling tool, It's a mystical mirror reflecting our subconscious, a compass guiding our spiritual journey, and a key to unlocking mysteries that lie within us. Thank you for joining us on this mystical journey. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into the spiritual world.